My name is Jonathan Delva. I'm from Fort Lauderdale, Florida. I started losing my hair around 25 when I first got married. And now I am 33. For the most part, finding out usually with the hair loss, I had the issue with usually getting buzz cuts, but I saw that over time I was losing hair. But then what I ended up doing was using a product to kind of help with my hair growth. So it was working for a little bit, but over time, next thing you know, I just felt like my hair, it was getting too used to the medication. Hair was thinning. So over time, I was talking with my barber and his friend, and they mentioned something about a hair transplant in Turkey, which I started laughing. And then he showed me Hair of Istanbul. So for maybe about 2 years, it's right before the pandemic, I kept looking on Instagram about Hair of Istanbul. I honestly didn't believe it was true. So I kept looking at it. I would show his friends, showing my wife. A lot of individuals thought it was a joke, but over time, I don't know. I would say January, just after my hair, it was thinning a little more. I honestly told myself, I was like, I got to do it. So I reached out to Hair of Istanbul. These guys were on the money when I was messaging them on WhatsApp. They were very well. They did a very good job with communicating. They texted me all the details. Of course, at first I was nervous. But once I got here, honestly, from the pickup at the airport, smooth transition, hotel, amazing. And most important, the clinic was amazing. We got here into the clinic of Hair of Istanbul. They showed us so much love from the time of payment to even the drawing of the hairline. They're on the money. And then from there, being on the table. Of course, naturally, you're going to be nervous. But being on the table, they did an excellent job with the medicine, the medication, numbing the hair, even just the process of allowing you to use the bathroom when that was needed. So all in all, man, with this transplant, I'm so happy, man. It's probably you got your baptism date, you got your wedding date, and then you have the hair transplant, which is probably like the top notch things I've done. So the best thing I could say is if you are interested in a hair transplant, definitely come to Hair of Istanbul. You're going to enjoy it. They're going to take care of you. I promise you, you will not regret it.